if you've created a mail merge or batch of letters within Word and you want to send these through the hybrid mail service, then that can easily be achieved using the print driver. So as you can see, I have a mail merge document here, and these are single letters that I want to send through the hybrid mail service printer. So simply all you do is go to File and Print, select the hybrid mail service printer, and then press print. So once the print driver screen pops up, you've just got to make sure on the right hand side here that on the split letter drop down that enable split is actually ticked there, and this is a one-page document. So if you go into split every number of sides, make sure that there's a 1 in there. It could be a 2-page document or 3, etc. that you're sending out through the system. So just make sure the number of sides is selected in there and then press split now. And then you can actually scroll down and make sure that those letters have actually been split out there. If you're fine with that, all you need to do is press post. You get the little pop-up, press yes, and then you'll get a final pop-up to say that they've actually been successfully submitted. And of course you can actually scroll through and see those individual letters have been posted successfully. So if there are any issues in there, it would actually highlight them there in red. As you can see, they've gone through okay. So from there you can actually log into the web portal, log in with your usual credentials, and then if you go into mail and queued mail, you can actually see there's that mail merge document, and it's actually split all those letters out accordingly. You'll be familiar with this, but if you need to actually look at any items, you just click onto the name there and you can actually see that those letters are okay. If for any reason you want to delete that mail merge, you can just highlight that and delete them out of the queue there. So that's one way of actually sending a mail merge document through. But if there were multiple pages and multiple sides within your mail merge and you wanted to do it a different way, you can actually go to File and Print, and this time instead of selecting number of sides, what you can do is select something that's unique to the first page on each letter. So what we can do here is we actually know that Imperial is on the first page of every letter there, and what we can do is make sure that Enable Split is ticked, but this time we're going to split it by a keyword that's unique to that front page of every letter, and we're going to just type in there Imperial. So of course this could be anything from one of your documents, and then we're going to draw around that area that's unique on every page to make sure that when the software actually sees Imperial, it knows that's a separate letter to the other ones and it'll split them out individually. So if you press split now, as you can see, it searched for the word Imperial and it split the document out accordingly there. So if you're happy with that to go, of course again you just press post and they will be sent through the system. So those are the two ways you can actually send items through by using the print driver. You can split it by number of sides, or you can actually split it by a keyword that's unique to that first page, that front page of the document there of the letter.